In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can leverage the power of organic traffic to skyrocket your e-commerce business, all without spending a dime on ads. If you want to get into dropshipping and make $10,000 per month without spending any money on ads, then this video is for you. There are a lot of videos online that are going to teach you how you can make money with dropshipping, but there is something that all of them have in common, and that is the fact that they are mostly using ads to promote their products. This means inevitably that you're going to need some money set aside for ads. This idea is scaring off a lot of people that want to get into dropshipping but do not have a budget for that. This is why I want to come here in front of you and break down a strategy in which you can make a lot of money with dropshipping without investing any kind of money at all. So the difference between organic and paid ads is the fact that with organic traffic, it requires a bit more patience and perseverance. With paid ads, it's simpler. You're just paying money for ads, you're going to show the ads to the right people, and they're going to buy your product. That's it. This one requires money and no time. This one doesn't require money, but it does require some time. If you haven't been living under a rock for the past 3 years, then you probably know about TikTok. Now, TikTok started off as this silly dance app and everybody was dancing just to get attention and likes. Dancing and being silly were a part of TikTok. They were the centerpiece of TikTok. As time went by, TikTok evolved into what it is today. You can find anything on TikTok, not only dances. Of course, when an app such as TikTok is so popular, it's gonna draw a lot of business opportunities. And one of the main opportunities I want to talk about in this video is dropshipping on TikTok. You see, dropshipping is this business model that's been around for ages. It's a very convenient business model in which you can sell products that you do not own. You just have to build a website and decide on what products you want to sell. Next up, all you have to do is find a supplier for those products in China, create a nice product page for them, get some traffic on your store. And the best part about this business is that when a customer decides to buy a product, they just give you the money up front. So you're gonna have capital to play with. You're gonna get their money and you're gonna pay the supplier a small fraction of that money. Next up, you're just telling the supplier where to send the product to your customer and you can keep the difference. Dropshipping has become so increasingly popular because of the low barrier of entry. Anyone can start a dropshipping business with a few $100s. You don't need anything fancy, you don't need employees, you don't need a warehouse, you don't need to keep stock of the product. But what I'm gonna talk about next has an even lower barrier of entry. You don't even need those hundreds of dollars, you can just start off with zero. You've probably figured it out by now. We're gonna do organic traffic. So what makes organic traffic on TikTok so special? TikTok is built in a way that will push viral organic traffic so that everyone can see it. Meaning that if you're good at what you're doing, if you're consistent, you're posting on a daily basis, you have a pretty high chance of becoming viral. I have friends that became viral on TikTok and they got millions of views without posting anything special. They just posted some random content. For example, one of my friends posted a video of them doing a backflip on a beach. It was 15 seconds and he got 3 million views. That is living proof that anyone can become popular on TikTok. Anyone can make a video that can become viral. So this is going to be the base that we're going to build this whole strategy around. Now, first things first, with this strategy, we're going to need a good product, a winning product. Now, a winning product in terms of e-commerce is a product that's making huge waves on the market. A product that's trending right now, it's hot right now, everyone wants to buy it. You do not want to build your brand around a product that nobody would buy. And you also don't want to test something out. You don't want to be the first one who will test the product out. Yes, you might be a prodigy. You might make millions of dollars, but the chances of that to happen are close to zero. So let's not reinvent the wheel. Let's just start selling something that's already trending out there. This way, all you have to know is how to find those trending products. A very good way to find what products would be trending right now is to just go on TikTok and write, "TikTok made me buy it." Click on that, and you're gonna see a lot of the videos that are using this hashtag. Usually, all of these videos are using e-commerce products from AliExpress or Chinese products. Now, let's say, how does this work? For example, this product is a potato peeler. It's a very, very simple product. It's just this guy showing the product being in use. He's peeling a potato. He's showing how easy is the product to use. If we fast forward in this video, you're gonna see a lot of other vegetables being cut with the same product. So it's basically this telemarketing thing. It's a pretty usual ad for a TV commercial, but look at this. They have 4.6 million likes. And look at whoever posted the video. Talking about randomness. It's just two guys taking a selfie. Nothing special about it. And the video got 4.6 million likes. It has 41 million views. Now imagine Imagine how many eyeballs you have just by posting such a video. This is a good example of a winning product. So you can just take this and put it down on your notes. Let's scroll a bit more. Let's check out this product. This product has 8,000 likes and how many views? They have 200,000 views. So it's just this toy product. They are showcasing the product. They are showcasing how you can use it and silly ways to take advantage of this product. And it's basically an 18-second video. And as you can see right here, I'm gonna come back to this. This video was posted by Gloomy Poo. So this is an account. They have 200,000 followers and 10.9 million likes. I'm gonna get back to this. Until then, you can take this as another good example. So as you can see, what I did, I just wrote this thing right here, TikTok made me buy it, and I started scrolling and I looked at the products that had a pretty big engagement and a lot of views. This one has 280 million views. Can you imagine that? This is another example of a very nice winning product. It's only a 10-second video. It's a lifesaver. So let's get back to this. Let's open this in a new tab and let me get back to this later. Put this product as another example of a winning product. Let's scroll a bit more. You're gonna find that there are a lot of products with a huge potential for selling. Another example, this is a scrubbing machine. It's a very, very cheap thing that you can buy from AliExpress with a few dollars, and it has 12 million views. Now, until this point of the video, you should probably understand where I'm going for. You should probably understand where is this video going for and what is my point here. This is one of the best ways in which you can find the best products that are trending out there. Another thing that you can search for is Amazon finds. This is another very popular hashtag. It's going to show you the same thing. As you can see, a lot of the products from here are similar to the ones from TikTok made me buy. So if you scroll down here, you're going to find a lot of the products that are most likely to be found on Amazon. They will be a bit different, but still, all of these products are dropshipping products. These are very good methods to find out what's trending on the market right now. It does require a lot of work and you're not alone. Trust me, there are millions of people who are doing the same thing as you're doing right now. All of them are trying to make some money. All of them are analyzing the market. All of them are making these lists. You can do the same, or you can just choose an automatic platform that will do this for you. They will basically do product research. One of these platforms is AutoDS, and it's basically a dedicated team of people. That's all they are doing 24/7. They are looking for winning products with high potential, products that are making waves on the market, and they are posting them on an AutoDS platform. They have this pretty cool section that's called a Winning Products Hub. So if you click on that, you're going to find all of these products that are trending right now. So you can click on each and every of these products. And the cool thing is that once you click the product, you're going to find a lot of useful information. My all-time favorite is the fact that you can spy on other stores. It'll give you a list of like 3 or 4, maybe 5 stores that are selling the same product. So you can get inspired. You can see what other stores are doing. All of those links are clickable, so you can literally just click on any link out there and it will take you to another store that's selling the same product that you're looking for. You also get targeting ideas. You can also see how saturated is the market for that specific product and a lot more things. So once you decide on a product that you want to sell, all you have to do is link your store to your AutoDS account, import the product that you like from AutoDS into your draft section, change it a bit, change some pictures, change the descriptions, do whatever you want to do with the product, and then push it to your store with the help of this button, Save and Import. This will save all of your work and it will push the product to your store. Using AutoDS can save you a lot of time and money because you don't have to go through all of that tedious process of doing this product research by yourself. Alright, so what's the plan now? After you decide on the product that you want to build your brand around, the first thing that you have to do is order the product at your house. Order even more than one product if you have the budget. Once the product arrives to your place, all you have to do is start filming content of that product. Let's go back on TikTok and let's just click on some random videos. This is an example of a video. This video has gone viral. It has millions of views, 300,000 likes. So this is just a person using that product and filming themselves using the product. They have just posted this on TikTok and it got millions of views. Let's take another example. Let me just scroll randomly and just pick one random product. These are multiple products. It's like a top 10, right? So they are just filming themselves using and showcasing these products. You see? Another example, 25 million views. These are just some containers that someone bought from Amazon and they're just filming themselves using those containers. You see, they're just filling the containers up and they are filming themselves using those containers. That's it, pretty simple. So now you might be wondering, okay, so how can I make money by doing this? That's a very good question. You remember that I told you that you need to be consistent and you have to dedicate a lot of time in this? Here's how that comes into play. When you decided on the product and you order the product, once you get it, you're gonna have to create a TikTok page for your product. That TikTok page is going to be the central hub of your whole business, because your mission every single day after receiving the product will be to post as much content as possible. Only by doing so, you're going to increase the chances of one of the videos becoming viral. That's how you'll be able to capitalize on this. In the beginning, we only need to put some videos out there without the purpose of selling anything. There are accounts that are not quite selling something specific, they're not putting it out there, but they are being very consistent into posting the same content over and over again with the hopes of creating engagement and creating new followers. Take this account for example. This is a simple ASMR account. They're just posting interesting stuff, interesting things, unboxing. They are not just promoting one single product, they're promoting a lot of different products in the same way. As you can see, all of these videos are similar, they all have the same color palette, they all have the same background, so they are kind of capitalizing on this. They don't want to be limited on one single product, they are showcasing multiple products with the same background in the same style. This has got them a lot of followers. They have more than 300,000 followers and close to 8 million likes, as you can see right here. So how are they capitalizing on this? Well, it's very simple. They have a link. If you click this link, it will take you to their website. On this website, they are selling something. You can get a lot of things from here. You can subscribe to their Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. That's another way of capitalizing on people that are already watching their TikTok videos. You can buy them a coffee, meaning that you can donate some money. You can buy Pokemon figures. You can buy a lot of other things, and you can get discount codes. By using these discount codes, you will benefit them because they are gonna get some money from that. Now, this is just a generic way to make money. This is not necessarily oriented towards e-commerce. This is just a random example that I found. Let me show you a more specific example. You remember this guy? Now, this guy has a TikTok page that's called Gloomy Poo. Now, this Gloomy Poo page started from 0 followers. They just got the idea to start selling this product, and they created content about this product every single day. There are hundreds, maybe thousands of videos of this product. Now, they started just posting random video ideas and none of them got viral. Now, they all got 7,000, 8,000 views, 7,000, 9,000, so it's nothing special. By the way, on TikTok, getting 9,000 views, 7,000 views is nothing special. So they continued doing the same thing over and over and over again until they started getting some traction. As you can see, 10,000, 12,000, 30,000, 180,000, 20,000. Now, 180,000 is definitely a big step up. So they figured out and they started to understand what works, right? This video will act as the central piece of this page because now they understand why they got 180,000 views. They did something different and they tried to recreate that again and again and again by doing content that's fitted into the same area. Their engagement started to go up, 30,000, 20,000. As you can see now, the average is above 20,000. They started at like 7,000. They got another video of 60,000 up until the day they got $1.5 million on a single video. The thing that I want to highlight here is that before having success, before getting 1.5 million views, they made close to 50 posts. So they got up every morning and they shot content. They were thinking about what could work best and they implemented it every single day. They were consistent and they posted content every single day. So the plan is that after getting a bigger amount of views, you can put your link in the description. Let's scroll a bit up and as you can see right here, they have a website. Now, this is the way that you can make money with organic content. This is their simple website. They're selling this simple product for $14.95. They're probably getting this product for less than $5, so it's a $10 profit margin. They are making a lot of money. This website is so simple. It's nothing more. It's just this. This is everything that you're going to see on their website, and either you're buying or not. Something else that I want to point out is the fact that after they became popular, they continued posting content because that's how you're going to continue making money. It's very important for you to become consistent even after you have good results. You don't want to base your whole success on one single video and stop posting after that because you're going to fade out. Your brand is going to die out and nobody's going to buy your products anymore. What you have to do though is take advantage of the hype that you're getting and start posting even more content than before so more and more people will acknowledge your product. If you scroll on the top of their page, you're gonna see some pinned posts. Now these are the best posts that they are made. 21.4 million views, 19.7 million views, and 4.1 million views. Yes, those are millions of people that have watched this video, and a lot of them bought the product. Next up, we have this page that's called Shop Cosmo Goods. It's a device that's basically measuring your grip power. If you scroll until the bottom of their page, you're gonna realize that they started the same, 6,000, 8,000, 8,000, 7,000. And they started going a bit up here, 50,000, 20,000, nothing too crazy until they got 235,000. They kept posting, they kept writing, and there are posts, like if you look at the pin posts, they have posts that crossed 1 million views. And of course, they are going to capitalize on this. They have a link. If you click that link, it will take you to their website in which you can buy the product. They have a product page, pretty simple. Their purpose is to just sell you the product. Let's move on. My Scrub Gun. You remember this product? Let's scroll down. Let's see what these guys are doing. 2,000, 3,000, 1,000. They are doing even worse than the first ones, but they kept posting. They kept posting. Now, the thing that I'm seeing here is that they are being too repetitive. I don't necessarily encourage you to do this. You're gonna find different angles. You gotta have to do some research, and you're gonna have to be inventive about how are you gonna present the product to the people that are your potential buyers. So these guys are basically doing the same thing over and over again. This is why they are not getting amazing results, but only some of their videos have more than 1 million views. I guess it's one video that has more than 12 million views. Let's scroll to the top and let's see. Yeah, the paid post shows us this. 12.3 million views. They were just lucky. So the algorithm just picked this video and it decided to push it for some reason. We don't know what happens and we don't know how you can get here. All you have to do is just be consistent and post on a daily basis and hope for something like this. Trust me, this person's life is definitely changed because of this video. It's a repetitive video. He did the same video hundreds of times before in the past, and one of them popped, one of them got viral. This is the video that got viral, and they're probably getting a few hundred orders every single day only because of this video. Let's check out their website. Classic dropshipping website. They don't even have a logo. They didn't necessarily put in the effort. It looks like this. All you have to do is just buy it. They are not spending a dime on ads. This is the last example that I want to show you guys. This is the mini printer. And they are basically under the bad example category, I would say, because they keep posting the same thing over and over and over and over again hundreds of times until they got to a point where they got a few videos that became viral. Their top videos is one of the most viewed videos on TikTok ever, especially given the fact that it's an ad. It has 280 million views. So as you can see right here, the link is printmoreprinting.myshopify.com. So they didn't even buy a .com domain. They got the free myshopify.com domain. So guys, before ending this video, let's do a bit of math. In a normal dropshipping business where you're spending money on ads, the average profit rate is around 30%. By using this organic strategy, you can expect anywhere between 50 and 60% because you're not paying anything on ads. So the way we need to calculate how much money we need to make in order to profit $10,000 is very simple. The answer is $20,000 because 50% profit margin from $20,000 in sales equals $10,000. To make $20,000 per month means that we should make around $600 per day. Depending on the price of the product that you want to sell, this can range anywhere between 10 and 20 products a day. So now the question, do you think you can sell 10, 20 products per day? Because I definitely think you can sell a lot more than that. All you have to do is take the first step, and I promise that I am here with you. And as homework, until next time we meet, I challenge you to go to AutoDS and pick your product. Pick the product that you like the most and start building a brand around it. Leave a comment below telling us what product did you pick, and I'm gonna tell you my opinion. I promise you I'm gonna respond to all of the messages. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time.